Lesson 4, dealing with files and folders. From previous lessons, we learned that all processes carried out by the computer are kept inside RAM, and when the electricity is off, this temporary memory loses its contents. So, to keep your doing permanently, you should save them in the file on the storage unit. File definition is a set of data which is stored in storage units in different kind and extensions. File name consists of two parts: origin name and the extension, which help to know the file type. Extension like txt, mp3, wave. The most important file types like video files, image files, text files. To create file, we can open any text editor like Word program and write any text. We can save that file by doing the following steps. Open File menu, then choose Save As, and then write the file name in the specific place. Define the place in which file be saved and click Save. The difference between Save As and Save. Save As used on creating the file at the first time. Save, we can also use Save on creating the file for the first time. Save As used on changing the name of the file or saving the file after modification and with desire to save the file with different extension or different place. Save used on modifying the file with a desire to save the modification at the same file and with the same name as it is. Searching for a file in the computer. We can search by using a name part or by extension. We can display search tab by pressing Ctrl+F on the keyboard. Dealing with folders. Folder definition: it's a place inside the storage device which contains a file or more and the programs and the other folders. To create a folder, do the following steps. Right-click in a place where you need to set up the folder. Then a shortcut menu will appear. Select New, then Folder. The folder will appear, and then write the folder name and click Create. The difference between cutting a folder and copying folder. Cutting folder, move the folder from its current place to a new place at the same storage unit or any other storage unit. But copying folder, make another folder or duplicate the folder to get a spare or copy for the file at the same storage or any others. To copy a folder, press right click on this folder, the shortcut menu will appear, choose Copy, move to another place or the new place you want to copy this folder, display the context menu will appear by clicking right click, then click Paste or choose Paste from the context menu. To rename the folder, use the context menu or shortcut menu, choose Rename, write the new name, click Rename. To delete the folder, use the context menu, choose move to trash or choose delete, the folder will not delete permanently from the computer. It moves to the recycle bin. To restore the deleted files or folders, open the trash or recycle bin. Deleted files or folders appear. If we use the context menu, that will appear two commands: delete to delete the folder forever, or restore to restore the folder. We cannot restore folders that are deleted from the recycle bin.